What's going on, guys? Kyle from Xclusive Autoworks back with another project for you. This one's going to be a little bit special because it has a ton of work done already that we're going to be removing and redoing. So this car currently has full nose PPF. It is a kit like pattern, so it's not done very well. We'll show you up close what that looks like. It's short on all of the edges. The mirrors are probably the funniest part. It's literally just a piece slapped on the front with hard seams around the whole thing, which is not how we would let anything leave the shop. So we're going to be peeling all of that off, redoing all of that. We're also removing the existing tint and installing GeoShield ceramic tint. After that, we're going to be doing a full paint correction. The paint is highly swirled on the areas that aren't already protected, so we're going to be doing full paint correction. And then we're going to be doing a CQUARTZ Finest Reserve job, which is our top ceramic coating for this to make it very easy, clean, maintain, and all around protected.
So I'm currently doing the fun part of trying to get these vents out. The driver's side was nice and easy. This side, there is a ton of different kinds of hardware and stuff in the way. So I'm having a blast. If you could tell by the look on my face, this is my favorite part about Monday so far. I want to use so many different words right now. All right, so after a lot of stress and reaching, we were able to get the 3 bolts out. So now that's all that's holding them is metal clips. So you could come from behind and push and pull with the other hand, and it will literally just pop out like that, revealing these clips here, and then the studs where we got those bolts off of. And that's how you get these vents out.
There you have it, guys. We've got our finished product here. We've got this Z06 C7 that we've brought back to life. We've done a full paint correction. We've got the full nose PPF, ceramic tints all around there, as well as CQUARTZ Finest Reserve on all the painted surfaces, full wheel, brake calipers, virtually everything. This guy is set to go for years to come. He's both protected and he's gonna be cleaning his car in half the time that it usually is, all while maintaining that nice deep shine. So here we are here. I'm gonna give you a couple of cinematic views of the car, and other than that, we'll see you next time.